Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 9.1 from question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of each foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. So first thing I will do to draw its diagram after reading the statement of the question. So given from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. Okay, so suppose this is a 7 meter. This is the 7 meter high building. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower. Okay, this is the cable tower and the angle of elevation top of the building and top of the cable tower, top of the building and cable tower, which is equal to 60 degree. This is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree and the angle of elevation foot means foot of the tower, which is 45 degree. Then determine the height of the tower. Okay, so let this is a point A, B, C, D, E. Okay, so let the height of tower X meter. If it's 7 meter, then CD is also 7 meter. Then D is DE. This is X minus 7 meter. Okay, so children, this is the diagram of question number 12, where AB is a 7-meter high building and C is the cable tower. Okay, cable tower. The angle of elevation from the top of a building and top of a tower, which is 60 degree, and angle of depression from the foot of the tower and top of the building 45 degree. Then we need to find the height of tower. So let the height of the tower is X meter. Okay, let the height of the tower is X meter and also given the height of the building is AB, which is equal to 7 meter. AD 7 meter equal to and CD 7 meter and the height of the tower C which is equal to H. C equal to H meter and D equal to x minus 7 meter. Okay. So now taking a right angle triangle ADE in right angle triangle ADE angle DAE which is equal to 60 degree. So now using tan trigonometric ratio, so this is tan 60 degree equal to DE upon AD, where D is h minus 7 meter upon D AD, where AD and AB are equal. Okay, AD and AB are equal. So this is AD and same value of tan 60. This is square root 3 equal to h minus 7 by AD. Say this is equation number 1. Okay, now taking right angle triangle ABC in triangle ABC angle BCA equal to 45 degree. So therefore tan 45 degree equal to perpendicular upon base, where perpendicular is 7 and base is BC. Okay, the value of tan 45 is 1. This is 1 equal to 7 by BC. And now using here BC and AD are equal. Okay, BC equal to AD. So therefore AD equal to 7. AD equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, now substituting the value of AD in equation 1. So equation 1 become, this is square root 3 equal to h minus 7 by 7. This implies 7 square root 3 equal to h minus 7. This implies h equal to 7 root 3 plus 1. Okay, h equal to 7 root 3 plus 1. H equal to 7 root 3 plus 1. So dear children, this is the height of the tower. Okay, so height of the tower, is 7 square root 3 plus 1 meter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 12. Now move to the question number 13. This is an observe from the top of a 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level. The angle of depression of two ships at 30 degree, 45 degree. If one ship exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between two ships. Okay, so first I will draw its diagram. So given and observe from the top of 75 meter high lighthouse. So this is the 75 meter 75 meter, 75 meter high lighthouse. Okay, 75 meter lighthouse, and from the sea level the angle of depression of two shapes 30 and 45 degree. So suppose this is a sea level, the two shape, this is the first and this is the second sea. Okay, the angle of elevation of first and second sea, which is given 30 and 45 degree. So this is 30 degree and this is 45 degree. Okay, the angle of depression from two sheep are 30 and 45 if one sheep exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. Then find the distance between two sheep. So this is point A, B, C, D. Okay, so AB is the height of the lighthouse, and C and D with the position of two sheep in a sea level, where angle from top of the lighthouse which is equal to 45 and 30 degree. Okay, then we need to find the distance between two sheets. Okay, so let the distance between two sheep, let the distance between two sheep is x meter. Okay, this is the distance between two sheep, x meter, and AB equal to given AB, which is equal to 75 meter. Now taking right angle triangle ABC. In right angle triangle ABC, angle ACB which is equal to 45 degree. So now using tan ratio, so this is tan 45 degree equal to AB by BC. Tan 45 is 1 equal to AB is 75 and this is BC. Okay, this implies BC equal to 75. Say this is equation number 1, and now taking right angle triangle ABD. Okay, in right angle triangle ABD, angle ADB which is equal to 30 degree. ADB equal to 30 degree. So tan 30 degree equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is AB and base is BC plus BC plus CD. AB is 75 and BC, this is BC plus X. Value of tan 30 is 1 upon square root 3 equal to, this is 75 by BC. Here we have find out 75 degree. So this is 75 degree plus, sorry, 75 meter plus X. So now we cross multiply, so this becomes 75 plus X equal to 25 square root 3 and X equal to, this is 25 square root 3 minus 1 over 75 square root root 3 minus 1. Okay, so this is the distance between 2C. So therefore distance between two C's is 75 square root 3 minus 1 meter. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 13.